into the structure of gold on 3 minutes, and we have enjoyed a tremendous run, and we are glad we caught that. I'm just doing this just for reference to show how I got that pull down from this early morning drop at 78, 79 zone, and also put it into perspective on a potential buy position as the the market runs. It's 3 minutes, and the market is setting up in a very strong trading pattern we are very much aware of. Now you're expecting a breakout from the roof, but the probability tilts towards sell. Uh, I will say why probability tilts towards sell due to the market heavy bullish reaction since Monday. And we have here as a micro that is 3 minutes ROS resistance becomes support and break of structure. And another 3 minutes ROS, another one, another one. And I see some traders who are saying buy, buy, buy. I just don't have any issue with what you are doing, but you need to see the structure and guide yourself properly from your buy ideas. So you see, you have close to about one 700 pip drop, about 700 pip drop. But of course, that will not just happen like that. For that to happen, the market has to defend itself from other bearish thesis, and this is one of them. Three bearish thesis. This is one. This is one case scenario that you expect market to break. Of course, it looks like it's not going to break it. That's what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like. So if it doesn't break this structure, then though it's 3 minutes, but they give you intricate market reaction. So if it doesn't break it, then you pause your sell idea because it can just rebound from there. It can just rebound from there. This is an SR level. Support become resistance and break of structure one. Support become resistance and break of structure, and we return into RT slash RS, where after breaking structure, it becomes now a resistance structure, and we return here as a macro RT slash SR. Support become resistance after break of structure, and we have seen a push here. And if you look critically, you will see that there is a strong defense at this level that buyers have held firmly on. So, so what they did there. So, I think patience is key and critical to allow them to do their thing. Let them break that stuff. If they break that stuff away, then it will come on a double confluence. A breakout from that structure will ultimately push price here and come down here to challenge here, which is a key critical area for us. Haven't seen what price did during the Asian session. We had a double retest at this area. Market will always buy where it's buying, and if it breaks out from there, it looks out for a lower zone. So it's key and critical to see that I think it might dip into lower zone like here if it comes might come into here. For me is a nice stoppage on 3 minutes, so it could technically come down here a little bit, push down into 49. And let's not forget that while 49 looks lucrative, this is also another important area to look where we have a clean break and retest at this level. There's a clean break and retest at this level, a 1 hour clean break and retest. And so let's see. So these are key areas that at 38, you should be looking at a buy at 38. But while you are looking at a buy at 38, do not forget that you have a pending descending trend line. A pending is a pending structure here. R, SR1 support become resistance on breaker structure, support become resistance on technical, putting here as a buy floor. So whatever, we don't know how price is going to move, but if a breakout from here could technically come down here, maybe go back, retest it. I don't know the level of retest, but if it comes down here, here's a potential buy opportunity. So I just want to make it clean chart so that you don't think always we derive joy in making dirty charts. But the market will always do its thing, always, always. So this 69 level has bought, and that area might be exhausted. So if it breaks out from here, then it's a clear break of structure, very clear break of structure at this area, very clear. So you look for sell opportunity, a clear break of structure. And I'm gonna lie to you, this is a very nice cross breakout. So, and if we have 3 hours close, maybe below that structure, because of course you see what price I've done here. You see here as support structure, resistance structure, breaker structure, followed by a retest, followed by a retest. And if they break it, of course, they will turn it to sell and return back here. And do not forget, you have a bearish pressure, RS1, RS2, RS3, RS4, RS5, a bearish drop. So it's I think the market is looking exhausted at the moment. So let's see what it does from here. And on the flip side, if they regain here, of course they will go back. They will go back, and if they are doing so, they are doing so to retest a breakout from an ascending trend line. Yes, if they do so, they are going back here to retest a breakout from this trend line. And on this trend line, you have SR support become resistance on breaker structure 1, support become resistance on breaker structure 2, support become resistance on breaker structure 3, breaker structure. So here you have we have a clean break and retest here. So I'm going to call it BAR. So a clear break and retest at that level, and that technically puts there as a potential sell opportunity in the future. So if price makes its way back, you look for sell opportunity on this roof. And I will label it your supply roof. So I like to use the term supply to symbolize a sell, you know. So London gold market monitoring from Nigeria, Africa. We are not playing over here. We are not playing. So this is what you got, Shavyfxhub.